Hi, in this video we're going through how to create a new page on your WordPress website. My name's Dan and this is WP Update. Welcome, my name's Dan and I'm a senior software engineer and full stack WordPress developer. In this video we're going through how to create a brand new page on your WordPress website. So let's start by heading to the dashboard. Now I'm assuming here that you've already logged in. If not, there is a link in the description below on how to get to the WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see the standard dashboard here. You should have some options on the left, and one of those should be Pages and the All Pages and Add New. Now, if you can't see this, it means that your account isn't elevated enough to be able to add new pages, in which case you'll need to contact your website administrator and ask them for elevated privileges. So all you need to do is mouse over Pages, mouse over, not click, very important, mouse over that, and then click Add New. Great, and there we go, that's done. So what we're going to do is just grab some text from a lorem ipsum placeholder site that I've got on the other window, and that will just do for this exercise. Copy that, and let's add a paragraph in there to break that up a little bit. And that is good to go. So the next thing we need to do is click on Page, and then scroll down, and you can optionally add a featured image, which we're going to do now. So if you're going to do that, click on Set Featured Image. And I'm just going to use something from Unsplash that I have on the other screen. There we go, that's in. Just click that blue button there to set the featured image, and then we're good to go. Now you can then change when you like to publish, so you can publish now, or you can set a forward date if you'd like to schedule when the page is being published. You can also set the visibility here as well. So if you want to keep this private for individuals within your own organization or for other administrators to proof, then you just click on the private here. You can also cancel that. You can click on private and away you go. Or if you want a password protected, if you'd like to keep it for members or for very, very specific clients that you're going to send an email, click on the password protected and that will lock it away. But for this exercise, we'll just do public. So once that's good, click on Publish and then Publish again. There we go, and you get the little pop-up that says Page Published. Click on View Page and that will take you out, and you can see here, there is the page that we've done. Now, this theme also allows you to edit from this page, but won't worry about that at the moment. And because we haven't set a custom menu yet, we also have this being added immediately to the toolbar up the top. And there we have it. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like some more tips, check out the videos on the left. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe up the top. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next video.